Hi everyone, here are asked to make your data entry and data management more easier. To have auto number serial numbers, you can use a combination of the sequence and the counter function while referencing one of our columns. It makes our numbers and serial number much more easier. We don't have to do that manually. The next thing is for us to have an hard-coded date that doesn't change. We can use the control and the colon key. It gives us a date that doesn't change. And then for our AutoSum, we'll select cell ranges and use the alternate and equal to key on the keyboard. And then for auto spacing our cell ranges, we'll use the alternate HY. The auto spaces our cell ranges. For auto timing, it's just similar to the auto date. We can use the control shift and colon. Right, this control shift and colon gives us an hard-coded date and hard-coded time that doesn't change. It's perfect in situations where we want to do automatic timing and get very easy. And finally, for our automatic chart recommendation, we can select our cell ranges. That's the date column and the total column, and we will tap on the alternate F1 on our keyboard. That should give us the automatic chart. That should give us the automatic chart recommendation. This makes for easier data entry and data management of all our data needs.